everyone, welcome to Tourism Travelers. We are back again from a new destination, that's Turkey, Istanbul. You all must be very familiar with Turkish lamb, so today we are going to create our own souvenirs from Turkey, that is the Turkish lamb. We managed to snag the 10 a.m. slot and we booked this activity through Get Your Guide for 725 Turkish lira per head. The price varies based on the time and date, so just pick accordingly. The spot was only about 800 meters away from our hotel, so we took a nice brisk morning walk. We had our activity at this cafe called Sofra, right by the Bosphorus river, and it was super aesthetic. The vibe inside was really nice. We were a bit early, so had to wait for about 10 minutes for others to join in. We have come to a Turkish mosaic lamp now to make it. Very excited. As soon as we entered, we found everything was already arranged on the table for each one of us. Multiple colored glasses, lamps, wet wipes, tweezers, etc, etc. Whatever was required to make the lamp. We did not have to worry about anything at all. We thought of making these two designs. And this is Rohit's.
Still not
Oh,
decided.
it's nice. That's it. Oh, okay. Once you've arranged all those little glass pieces on the lamp, it's time to jazz it up with some beads you like. If you're feeling unsure, no stress. A helpful instructor will be there to guide you and even assist you in mixing and matching the beads. I was totally focused on my lamp while Rohit was waiting for me since he finished before I did. This super beautiful lamp was made by Rohit, which had a white base with vibrant glass bits. And hold on, we'll show you once it's lit. The lamps were so easy to make and was such a stress buster. It took us around 2 hours to complete this whole activity, but absolutely worth it. Well, you can also enjoy some drinks if you want. That comes complimentary with this activity. We got a Turkish delight for free, which we forgot to record. For our slot, we were a group of 5, but later a group came who unfortunately spoiled the peaceful environment, so we were kinda hurrying to leave the place. In the end, everyone came up with some unique and beautiful designs. And now, time to light up the lamp. Once done, the lamp was packed well for us to take it away, but we would recommend you to do this activity at the end of your trip because carrying this delicate became a challenge for us throughout the trip. This guy is holding a parrot. It's a huge one, but you will have to pay if you want to take a picture with the parrot. We have taken fish wrap. It's a very new thing here. So basically normal like chicken roll, it's a fish roll over here. It's very famous. It's for 150 Turkish lira. By the way, when in Turkey, don't forget to try out on Turkish tea. It's very nice. After the mosaic lamp making, we are heading towards the Galata Tower, which is a very romantic thing, not only for us, but a lot of couples. Why, we will tell it to you later. Well, if you don't know about Galata Tower, it's a very iconic structure in Istanbul, just like the Eiffel Tower in Paris. It was built around 580, so it's 1500 years old, very old. Galata Tower is one of the oldest towers in the world and symbols of Istanbul. These are the ticket prices. 30 euros and 60 euros, which is the combined ticket of Maiden Star and Galata Tower. It's open every day. This is the Galata Tower. You can buy the tickets online as well as offline. On Get Your Guide, it was showing 40 euros, and on the counter, it was written 30 euros. But on conversion, we lost the amount. They charged us 1,500 Turkish lira per head. We were provided with two headphones. We did not ask for it, but it was kind of a scam. You know, that touristy scam thing. A lot of people faced the same thing, and when we went back to return it, they did not take it anymore, and we did not even ask for the headphones. On the counter, they said while providing the ticket that you can take it, you don't have to return the headphones anymore. We were like, oh, is it for free? But no, it's not for free, it's a scam. So the headphones are basically provided for audio guide. There's a scanner, you need to scan it, you need to download an app, and then you can get the information about Galata Tower. If you want to take the headphones separately, you'll have to pay 350 Turkish lira each. This is the Galata Tower, and far over there you can see photo shoot is going on there.
It was known as Galata Fire Tower because it was used as fire watchtower back in those days.
The walls of Galata Tower filled with love. This is the entrance.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is the 7th floor of Galata Tower. Till 6th floor there is lift, and 7th and 8th you will have to climb the stairs. What a lovely view from the 7th floor, this one. So if you want, you can have a view from here. Like, do we need to pay for this? Or what? Can't see anything. Oh no, we can see with this. And the photo shoots that you see, it takes place here, rooftop Galata. This one, the dreamy photos with Galata background, that's the one. Look at the building. We are going up to the 8th floor now. Oh, we are at the top. There's a common belief in Turkey that if you and your partner can reach the top of the Galata Tower, your love will last forever. But if your love isn't destined to endure, something will prevent you from making it to the top. It might just be a tale to draw in tourists, but who cares? Together we can conquer anything in the world. Also at the workshop, we learned that Galata Tower says "I love you" to maiden star at night by flashing lights.
During 1960s, during excavations, a secret tunnel was discovered under the tower leading to the sea.
It was temporarily introduced in the UNESCO World Heritage Site list in 2013. It was rebuilt several times following attacks, earthquakes, and fire, but is still standing tall and is a very touristy place today. As you head down, we recommend taking the stairs since they are really unique and beautiful, plus you'll get to check out all the floors and discover the history. Right before you leave, there's this lovely souvenir shop, but the prices are definitely on the pricey side, so we wouldn't recommend buying anything from here. It's way cheaper outside. 6th October 2020, the Independence Day of Istanbul, and the day this museum was open to the public.
There were a number of walls surrounding the present-day Galata Tower, but presently there is nothing.
Another tip that we always give out is come as early as possible to avoid the crowd and click some good pictures. There are multiple high-priced cafes beside Galata Tower where you can give a try for just an experience. And that marks the end of today's video. We will be catching you up next Saturday with some more amazing videos from Turkey. Meanwhile, stay connected with us by subscribing to our channel and following us on Instagram. Okay, bye-bye.